Here we have a valve index. Doesn't look that high tech. Normally I wouldn't do this, but I've got a lot of people asking for it. So today we're going to do an unboxing.
Wow.
Of the VR headset valve, steam valve of the valve index. That's what we're doing. We're unboxing it. Yay! First you'll need a knife. Any size knife will do fine, but you need a knife nonetheless. Always cut away from yourself. But this is Hollywood. Put knife back. Any pocket will do. I could make a pretty sweet song out of that noise. Okay. First impressions on the packaging. This thing looks pretty cool. I really like the logo. Like DDO, but backwards. It says doo-doo, but backwards. So you got this awesome foil stuff here. This is the full VR kit. So if you order whatever their top tier packages, this is what they send. So valve index. Now we are going to cut through that stuff. Just gonna bring it in here. You know, before I open it though, just bring it a little closer. So valve index. Fancy foil that says headset, controllers, and base station. And then it's compatible. Let's see, let me try to zoom in here for a second. It's compatible with a human with a noose around his neck. I'm not sure I get that. Compatible works with hundreds of VR titles. But they're hanging him for some reason, and I don't know why, but I feel bad for him. But be that as it may. Initial impressions are pretty cool. You've got the little base that you put on your desk or a little stand somewhere. Got a little port for clipping it onto like a little tripod or something. Here you've got a controller. So that's what I'm gonna get close-ups of these here in a second. But anyway, this is one of the controllers here. Both controllers, pretty standard looking. They're neat. They feel good in the hand, you know? It's like, I don't know, they just feel like it's like a PlayStation controller, but like, you know, like wah. And of course, the headset itself, very high tech and impressive looking. I'm gonna get in-game footage on another video, but basically. Magnet. Magic magnet. Whatever's in here. Let's figure out what's in this thing. Oh, it's just manuals. Guides in 400 different languages. So that's nice. In case you're bilingual, then you can read it wherever you want. And we lift up these little tabs. Oh, gee, there's more stuff in there. God, put too much junk. So here's where you would screw the little base onto. It's that right there. And then you've got more cord. You've got a sweet neck rest for when you're on an airplane and you don't want to use one of those other goofy ones. Just sort of, I'm teasing, that's not what it's for. Comes with mounting hardware in case you want to mount stuff to your wall. And then you can plug it in like, boom, like that and mount it right on the wall. More cables. It's the charger, power cable, I guess. No, I'm wrong, excuse me. That is to power the base. It's to power into its base 1 charger. There they are. They're basically, you get like the equivalent of like what comes with an iPhone. Pop that on into the wall, and that's how you charge your base. You got another one right there, and then let's check this one out. Same deal here. Anyway, that is the unboxing of the Valve Index. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And for those wondering, no, it's not that comfortable. But we'll be back with a new video really soon with some more in-depth details and gameplay footage and some first impressions and stuff like that.